Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on a Samsung phone. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you can control most of your phone's features such as connections, privacy, security, display options, and installed apps. Next, scroll down and see the home screen option and tap on it. Inside this section, you will see different settings related to your phone's home screen layout and app drawer. Now scrolling and see Hide Apps and tap on it. Once you open it, you will see a full list of all the apps installed on your device. If you have hidden apps before, they may also appear in a separate section. After that, select the apps you want to hide by tapping on them. The selected apps will move to the Hidden Apps section. When you are done choosing, tap Done or Save to apply the changes. If this guide helped you, drop a like, share this video with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials every day.